Good morning, YouTube. Today I'd like to show off my scabbard I received back from Donnalisa from her Tack and Saddle repair shop here in Roseburg, Oregon. I bought this scabbard for my rifle at an antique shop. It's about 30 years old, and it was in very bad shape. The seams were separated at the time, and some of the straps were missing. So I took it to Donnalisa here in Roseburg, Oregon, and she took care of it. She replaced the straps. I asked her to leave the remaining straps, to leave it as original, and she waxed it and conditioned it, and she made a lot of repairs on the seams, which I'm very satisfied. This strap she replaced because it was in very bad shape. I asked Donnalisa to keep this strap intact because I wanted to keep it original. I'm going to flip it over. Some of the straps are original. It's a very beautiful antique scabbard. I'm very satisfied with the work hard labor she put into this scabbard. Now I'm ready to store my Winchester rifle in here. And if you want to reach her to do any saddle work, she does also custom work, wallets, purses. Give her a call and you can find her in Roseburg, Oregon. Donnalisa and Randy, Tack and Saddle Repair Shop, 541-580-2019. Or you can also reach your Donnalisa 7@gmail.com. Thanks for watching.